Welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop, guys, and tonight I'm very excited to be doing a Propane Forge update, as well as showing you my recent propane fittings that I've just got. I started hooking this up in my equipment updating vlog number 5. I'm going to be continuing connecting all the parts for it. Let's start threading all these together and see how it works. To show you guys how I have my propane set up for the propane forge. If you haven't seen my build video on this, make sure to go check it out. I will drop a link in the description as well as a card up here. But so I have 2 tanks, 2 both 20 pounders. So this tank runs this line right here, not sure how well you guys can see that, into one side of this little T-fitting right up here, and then the other T-fitting runs the other line right into this tank here. So the 2 tanks will hopefully help prevent freezing while it's drawing the propane out of it. And then it'll go through this fitting here, which is another POL fitting because this is a acetylene regulator. This one's a multi-fuel as well, so that's why it works. Only reads up to, from 0 to 15 on this gauge, and then this is the actual tank pressure. Runs up into here, which I have a ball valve, which is my shutoff valve, as well as a needle valve, and then it goes into this T-joint, which has my electric blower that blows up. Inside here, the propane comes out of this at a 1/8 nozzle, and then gets fed up and put into the ribbon burner. Gonna open up the garage doors and let's see how well this works. Alrighty, so I got this all set up, connected, everything checked. I'm going to turn on the blower first and then turn on the propane without the flame going. I'm going to adjust it to the right pressure that I want, and then I'll bring over the torch standing to the side, not in front of it, and get it lit and make sure everything's running clean. Away the propane, so it's a more oxidizing flame, and then as I add it back in, it becomes more rich and neutral flame. Blower is turned all the way up. Currently this is running at 2 psi. So if I turn it up a little bit for the gas flow, it becomes a very bright blue flame with the red flames coming out of the front. I can also then readjust with the needle valve as well if I wanted to. It's currently running at about 3.5 psi right now. So I'm going to leave this, let it heat up, and start forging away. Thank you so much. We are now at the end of the video. I've been running the forge all night in a double tank 20-pounder setup, and I gotta say it is fantastic. And I've been running it almost continuously all night for probably like 3-4 hours, something like that straight. Perfectly fine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, drop a big thumbs up, and comment what you thought down below. If you know anyone that might be interested in blacksmithing or using a propane forge, make sure to share this video to them because the double propane tank setup might be helpful to them. I haven't seen a video online showing this at all, so this is what I would want to see, so I'm getting it out there for you guys as well. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. We'll see you in the next one.